Imagine this. You're planning an important event, a wedding, a birthday, a corporate gathering, or maybe a festive celebration. Everything is perfectly planned. The venue is ready, the excitement is high. But then comes the most hectic part, sending invitations and promoting your event. Calling people one by one, typing messages again and again, making sure every name is correct. Designing invitation cards, sharing them manually, and still worrying, did everyone receive it? Did you miss someone? It quickly becomes stressful, time-consuming, and confusing. But what if you could manage all of this in just a few clicks? Introducing CertWala.com, your smart solution for invitations and event promotion. With CertWala.com, you can upload your entire guest list in bulk. No need to type names again and again. Choose from beautiful, ready-made invitation designs and personalize each one automatically with names, event details, and more. Every invitation becomes unique without any extra effort. And then send them instantly via WhatsApp or email, reaching hundreds of guests within seconds. No delays, no confusion, no manual work. And it doesn't stop there. You can also promote your events effortlessly. Announce your event, share updates, send festive greetings, and stay connected with your audience, all from one platform. No printing costs, no courier hassle, no last-minute panic. Just simple process, smart automation, and professional results. Because every event deserves full attendance, and every invitation deserves a personal touch. So why struggle with old methods? Switch to CertWala.com today and manage your invitations and event promotions the smart, fast, and stress-free way.